Arctic Air Real AC units for use in airplanes, boats, RVs, and anything that has a 12 or 24 volt power supply. There are 8 options for Real AC units from Arctic Air. 4 options are 12 volt, 4 options are 24 volt. Both 12 and 24 volt have single fan option. Single fan options will move 200 CFM of cool air. Single fan option has both louver vent and flexible duct options. Both 12 and 24 volt have dual fan options. Dual fan option will move 400 CFM of cool air. Both options has a louver vent and flexible duct options. Please click the link below to visit our website. You can view pricing information, download our catalogs. There are also links in the description of this video.